Morning, students. Today we are going to do mathematics and 4. This is taken from the revised curriculum, guys, 2022. Mathematics student textbook, mathematics and 4. And the name of the company it's a Chattakun, SA Chattakun TVET First. Now, on the TVET first, guys, we are going to deal with integration. We are going to deal with integration, guys. Now, by taking a practical example here. Now, in this case, I'm going to take the one that says, simplify the following and says 1 over the integral of 1 over 6x plus 1 dx, guys. 1 over 6x plus 1 dx. They say find the integral of the following. Now in this case, guys, we can either decide to use what is called the U method, or those one who like to balance to use the inspection technique, they are also allowed to do that. Now in this case, I will start by using the U substitution method. U substitution method, guys. Now on the U substitution method, we are going to start by letting U be something. We know that when we are integrating 1 over x, when we are integrating 1 over x dx, we know that the answer becomes ln x, the answer becomes ln x plus c. Now we are going to follow the same route doing this question now, the integral of 1 over 6x plus 1 dx, guys. Now by letting u, it means you let u be 6x plus 1, and from here we differentiate this, guys. Now this simply means that du is equals to 6 dx. Can you see that, guys? By just making this comes from du over dx is equals to 6. Then we cross multiply this and that, so du is equals to 6 dx. Now we go back to our equation and we write the equation in terms of u, guys. Now this will be the integral of 1 over, remember 6x plus 1 is u times what is dx. From this case, we need to find the value of dx because we want to write the equation in terms of u. Now if du is equals to 6 dx, then we are to make dx the subject, then we need to divide both sides by 6 so that dx is equals to 1 over 6 du, guys, like this. Now this simply means that wherever I see dx, because I want to write the equation in terms of u, I'm just going to plug in 1 over 6 du. And then from there, 1 over 6 is a constant. I can just pull it outside the integral sign. So therefore, I have 1 over 6 outside the integral sign. I remain with 1 over u du. Integrating 1 over du is the same as integrating the integral of 1 over x dx. That gives us ln x plus c. Now in this case, it simply means that this is going to be 1 over x ln u plus c. Can you see it, guys? Now wherever we see u, we slot it in the value of 6x plus 1. Therefore the answer is 1 over 6 ln of 6x plus 1 plus c. Now this is your final answer for those who like to follow the u substitution. But now if you want to follow the integration, the inspection technique from here, you are just going to say from the integral prime of x divided by f of x, this can be written as ln of f of x, guys, plus c. Now we are just going to relate what is here, which is the second type integration. We relate it with the question. The question is the integral of 1 over 6x plus 1 dx. Remember here is also dx. Now if you are integrating here, and then let's say for an example, our f of x from here is 6x plus 1, and then our f prime, it's supposed to be, the f prime, which simply means when you differentiate this one, you get the f prime. Now let us look here. If I differentiate this one, what do I get? I don't get 1. What do I get? When I differentiate this, I get 6. So for this to be the same as that, I can multiply the numerator by 6. so that I know this becomes the integral of 6 over 6x plus 1. Now it means if this is f of x, this will be the f prime. When I differentiate this, I get 6. But now, to remove that 6, I need to multiply the integral sign by the reciprocal of what I've added. So I'm going to multiply this by 1 over 6. And then this will be dx. Now from there, I take this as 1 over 6 ln of 6x plus 1 plus c. This is the inspection technique. This is the inspection technique, guys. Thank you very much until we meet with the third type integration.